Good morning. Welcome to Alaska. Well, it looks like our lake is frozen over still. Kind of a cool view. Climb up this hill. This is Lupin. Kind of a tundra version. Just exploring now. Looking at all these other cirques around here. Walked all the way over here. Base of this cirque. It's pretty impressive. Thought there might be some little ponds or something, but turns out there's just the base of a cirque. Well, we're done exploring Rabbit Lake and places beyond. It's starting to rain a little bit more. Time to head out. Good morning. We are in Palmer, Alaska this morning. 7 o'clock. Got a nice fresh start. Blue skies, well, partly blue skies. And we're heading up to Reed Lakes. Wow, that's beautiful. Water. Well, there's a lake of sorts. Not the one we were headed towards. It's still a mile up there. Well, this turned out to be the end of the trail for us. It got too dangerous. There's a bunch of snow bridges that aren't safe. You can see people's footprints have shot down through it. And, my knees don't bend like that. Well, I'm not even sure if I'm going to post this or not, because that was a big fail. You know, as it turns out, coming down, halfway down that steep part, my knee went out on me, so I would have been in real trouble trying to get over those rock climbs had I found a way through them. that's Seward Glacier. And there goes a boat, and they all paid like $600 a piece to go out there. Mendenhall Glacier, closest we're gonna get on the kayak. Beautiful blue ice.